Now, growing up alongside with very many people, I used to love Tahidi so much for many reasons, among them being it was so entertaining, it had the best cast, among other stars, bro. And I know if you'd ask people, many would come through and say that their favorite cast was the likes of OJ, Freddy, and Omosh, bro. But according to me, everybody was my favorite because there's no way one person would stand out without the other. You know, like they used to be so dependent, if you know what I mean, you know, from the likes of Tanya going all the way to Mr. Tembo. Talk about Miss Morgan, who used to stand out with her strictness, you know, how she used to blend with the likes of OJ. Freddy trying to sneak and kiss her. Like, it has some memories which are unforgettable. And talking about Miss Morgan, you guys already know that recently in an interview with Kamuhunjia, she came through and opened up about life after Tahidi High, you know, how she has been battling with alcohol, depression, among other stuffs, and people were so heartbroken seeing their favorite going through all these. And now come yesterday on 15th of April, she got a chance to appear on another interview, this time round with Radio Jambo's Masawi Japani, where sadly she broke down into tears, you know, while trying to talk about opening up, you know, on battling depression, among other stuff, bro. And wow, it was so sad. Alongside with that, she also talked about her relationship status as well as family. And so without much to say, here is what she had to say, courtesy of Masawi Japani on Instagram.
Angel, nasikia unatafuta mtu, unataka kuolewa.
Ati natafuta mtu? Ulisikia wapi?
Nilisikia tu kwa hizi barabara. I like that. Ulisikia wapi? What are the qualities you're looking for?
In what? In what? Mimi niko bona.
Oh really?
Bona ni Yesu.
Oh please.
Bona ni Yesu. Hawezi kuacha. Hello mention.
Una mtoto lakini?
I have a daughter.
Okay, how old?
The most amazing daughter in the whole world.
How old?
She's 8 years old.
Wow.
Anaitwa Imani.
Oh, like my daughter.
Really?
Yes, my firstborn daughter.
Wewe
Nakwambia.
That is my inspiration. Actually, ndio nijue I need to have a reality check. It is my daughter I keep looking at. Because, you know, I see myself in her. And najua, I cannot afford to shame this girl. Because it's not fair. No, mimi nimelelewa na mama. Amenilea tu vizuri. And my folks are the I have a most amazing, I'm blessed. Unajua, because even my downfalls, my family always picks me up. They have picked me up. I cannot. My mom, my dad, and my siblings, number one.
Angel, tukiongea na kuona ni kama unataka kutoka na machozi. What is this thing that is paining you?
No, it's deep. It's deep in terms of coming out is not easy. Coming out is not easy.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah,
Are
but
you
I'm
tired?
okay. No, I'm easy. It's okay. Coming out is hard. I've been through a lot. I'm just about to be 40. Yes. I needed to work on myself. I'm working on myself. Trying to get people to understand. Ni ngumu pia. Because people will judge you. You see, with our career.
Can I give you time?
No, I'm okay.
Sure.
Unataka kunichezea wimbo?
Nikupatie time kidogo.
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Nichezea wimbo basi.
Okay.
Wow, that was so sad from Miss Morgan, you know, seeing her crying. Like, whatever she was talking about is sad, but then seeing her breaking down in tears makes it even more sad, bro. Anyways, man, that is what's good. Go ahead and tell us what you think down in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, please.ke, and I'll see you guys in the next one.